Hello, welcome to College Dunia. In this video, we will discuss about CUET UG Counselling 2025, the counselling process of Delhi University, Banaras Hindu University, Jawaharlal Nehru University, and Aligarh Muslim University. We will also cover the details about the seat matrix, eligibility criteria, and the cutoffs of the different colleges. The CUET UG 2025 counselling is a decentralized process, meaning each participating university conducts its own counselling processes. The participating universities are Delhi University, Banaras Hindu University, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Aligarh Muslim University, and Jamia Millia Islamia. After the CUET 2025 results are announced, candidates must register on the respective universities' admission portals. This process will start from the first week of August 2025. Each university will release its merit list based on the candidates' CUET scores. Now let us discuss about the eligibility criteria of CUET counseling. Every student should be eligible to be in the counseling. The first is CUET UG 2025 score. The candidates must have appeared for and passed the CUET UG exam with the required subject combinations. Second, the minimum marks. Achieving the minimum qualifying marks or the cutoff score set by each university and the courses. Third is the educational qualification. Applicants must have completed class 12th or an equivalent examination from a recognized board. Fourth is the subject requirements. Some courses may require specific subject combination in the class 12th. Age limit. Generally, there is no upper age limit for the CUET UG 2025, though some universities may have some specific age criteria for certain courses. Nationality. The Indian citizen, overseas citizen of India, persons from Indian origin, and foreign nationals are eligible based on the respective universities' admission policies. Let us discuss the step-by-step guide of the CUET UG 2025 counselling process. There are many students who are confused about the counselling process of the CUET UG. Let us discuss. The first step is to check the result. The result declaration. After the CUET UG 2025 results are declared, the candidates can access their scorecards on the official website of CUET UG 2025. The second step is to register on the university's portal. The candidates need to register on the university's official admission portals. The third is the choice filling. The candidates need to select your preferred course and colleges based on the eligibility. Fourth is the seat allotment. Universities will release the seat allotment list and the candidates will need to confirm your seat by paying a required fee. The fifth is the documentation verification. This process involves verifying the documents either online or at the designated centers. The sixth step is the admission confirmation. Once the verification and the payments are completed, you will receive an admission confirmation from the specific college or can report to the college. For the top participating universities, here are the registration portal that the candidates need to register upon. First is the Delhi University, second Banaras University, third Jawaharlal Nehru University, fourth Aligarh Muslim University and Jamia Millia Islamia. The third step is the choice filling based on the scores. Based on the CUET 2025 scores, the candidate can choose the preferred colleges and the courses. For example, a high score of 710 out of 1000, the candidate may qualify for the Tier 1 colleges like SRCC, Hindu College, and the Tier 2 colleges from like BHU University and JNU University. The moderate scores like 630 out of 1000 could make the candidate eligible for the colleges like Ramjas Kirodimal College and the BHU University. The lower score of 480 out of 1000 might limit the candidate to the tier 3 options in the Delhi University, or you can also apply in the other universities such as JNU and Jamia Millia Islamia. The next step is CUET UG seat allotment. According to the CUET UG seat matrix 2025, there are over 250 universities participating in CUET UG. This includes 45 central universities like DU, BHU, and JNU, offering over 1.5 lakh seats. The state universities and the private institutes contribute additional seats. The total seats available across the participating institutes amount to over 3 lakh. In the CUET UG 2024, approximately 95% of the seats at the Delhi University were filled, and the 90% of the BHU seats were filled in the first 3 rounds of the seat allotment. So the candidates need to score a good marks to get into the universities like BHU and DU. The CUET UG 2025 has a specified reservation criteria for the different categories. The general EWS category has a 10% of reserved seats, whereas the SC category has a 15% of the reserved seats. ST category will have a less, which is 7.5% of the reserved seats. The OBC NCL will have the highest amount of reserved seats, which is 27%, whereas the PWD candidates will have the 5% of the horizontal reservation of the seats with additional support during the exams, which will help the reserved categories in securing a seat into the good colleges and get a better qualification and education. Let us discuss the fifth step of the counseling process of CUET UG 2025. The candidate should make sure to have all these documents ready for the verification process of the specific college. The documents are the CUET UG 2025 scorecard, the mark sheet and the passing certificates of class 10th and 12th, photo ID proof, which can be your Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, caste, and the category certificate if the candidate is belonging to any other caste and the category except general should have their caste and the category certificate along with them. The PWD certificate, the domicile and the migration certificate, passport. The candidate should have the passport size photographs and other relevant certificates, including the EWS certificates and the sports quota certificates. Thank you for joining us for the CUET UG counseling process. For more details or the specific queries, please visit College Dunia Exam CUET or leave a comment down below. Thank you.